So guys, for the first method, you just want to simply refresh the page, either by clicking on the refresh button or by clicking on F5 on your keyboard, which will refresh the page. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to log out of your Facebook account and then log back in again. See if that works. For the third method, if we look on the top where it says facebook.com, you want to click right next to it. You want to click on this button where it says view site information. Now you want to click on cookies and site data, and then click on manage on device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on done. Now we're going to click on this again, view site information. Now you're going to click on site settings. Now once this comes up, next to usage, you're going to click on delete data, and then click on delete. Now we're going to go back to Facebook, reload the page, log back in again, see if that works for you. For the next method, you could try using Facebook on a different web browser, see if that works. For the fifth method, maybe the page has actually been deleted, or you could check on the Facebook server status, maybe the Facebook servers are down. So you can try waiting like half an hour, and then try again, see if that works.